Hi, good morning, sir. How are you doing?
I'm good. And you?
I'm all right. Okay, sir. So tell me about you. Tell me about your role. Tell me about your company. Tell me about the role you play in your company.
Okay. I'm Raphael Yemitan. I'm a data scientist, or some people like to say I'm a statistician. And I'm a director with PricewaterhouseCoopers, PwC Nigeria, and the practice lead for data analytics and robotics process automation. And PricewaterhouseCoopers is one of the big four professional service firms. And I work out of the technology advisory business, where we provide advisory services as well, but specifically for me, data analytics services to different clients. And this cuts across different industries and all aspects of data analytics.
Thank you, sir. As a team leader, a data team leader, what advice do you have for entry level and for data enthusiasts?
I think the main thing I would say is that people should learn data science from first principles. Don't just get into the tools, but understand it from the perspective of the statistics behind what you're studying. I think that's how people can gain skill and mileage. And beyond that, don't just look at the fancy data science side, where you're doing the prediction, but also the data management side of things as well. Things like SQL, databases, and if possible, get into proper understanding of what big data really is about and the big data infrastructures.
Thank you. So apart from the technical skills, learning the SQL, the Python, and every technical skill, what other skill do you think an entry level needs to possess to be employed to have their first job?
To have their first job, I think what they need to do is identify a domain. When I say domain, is a business function or an industry where they want to go into, and in each industry or function, and then understand how to apply these data techniques to that particular function or to that niche, right? And I think that will go a long way in how they even go about looking for the jobs. Or maybe do I say the job starts looking for them? Because people don't want to train, organizations don't want to train people who don't understand how they are going to apply their skills to them. So doing that gives you an edge as as a job seeker.
Thank you so much, sir. What advice do you have for the organizers of these great events? What do you think they should do to make this event better?
So I think a couple of things I've seen. This is second year, right? I believe there is always room for making things bigger. And my understanding of conferences like this, I'll call it a conference really, is that it will span a couple of days, minimum 3 days. And in those 3 days, you have different sections. And so you have sections dedicated for enthusiasts, job seekers, and things like that. And then you have sessions for established people and industry people, and then you have other sessions for maybe regulators, the government, and things like that. And these sessions should run in parallel, so that everybody gets, the core of what the message that's been passed out is. And then probably a session for recruiting agencies for job opportunities and things like that. Maybe a desk or a section of the entire event dedicated to that purpose.
Really, thank you so much. Final question before you go: Is your company where you work, is it currently hiring? Is it open for employment?
So Well, every big for professional service firm is constantly recruiting. I'll just say, and our recruitment are always the information are always available online on LinkedIn and other platforms. So once there are openings, you see those jobs advert in there. Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much for your time. Thank you for coming. Thank you for your session. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much, sir.